we thank you so much for joining us tonight. I'm Katy Uriarte. My partner, Joe Gazin, has the night off. Tonight, a bailiff for a local district court is himself in legal trouble after he and a female companion were charged with public lewdness. 60-year-old Dan Ramon Arispe and 54-year-old Diana Garza, a teller with a local bank, were arrested early Sunday morning at a Little League baseball park. Rudy Treviño has been covering this story all day for us and has the details. Rudy?
Well, to quote unnamed members of law enforcement, if it had been anyone else, any private citizen, this arrest probably would not have made news. But when it involves a well-known bailiff for a district court, it is. And tonight, the judge, Dan Arispe, works for, says he is disappointed.
He's been with the county and working in this court, or at least working in the courthouse since 1990. So he's very close. All the staff are very close. But again, as a law enforcement officer, you can't work here after you've been arrested. It's just, at least while the investigation's pending.
Judge David Stith, who took over for the late Tom Greenwell just last July, says the staff can't believe what happened. According to the arresting officer, he was patrolling the West Side ballparks in the 4300 block of Greenwood just after 1 in the morning Sunday. The probable cause statement issued by police quotes the officer saying it was obvious that the Chevrolet passenger car was occupied due to the vehicle shaking as well as the windows being somewhat foggy. The officer saw Arispe raise his right hand, as if to tell him to back up or wait. The report states Arispe was in uniform, Nueces County Constable Precinct 4, that Arispe told officers, "Just give me a break," adding, "We are cops. This is what we do. I know I shouldn't be here. I promise I will never come back," the report says. The bailiff from the 319th District Court and the woman had been warned twice before to stay away from that parking lot after having been spotted there late at night. Arispe's boss says he's going to wait for the complete investigation and allow justice to be carried out.
There is due process, and so that's why I want to work with Human Resources to find out what is the procedure we go through, including an investigation. Obviously, we've got to find out the truth of the allegations, and if they're true, that'll lead one way, and if they're not, well, that'll lead another way.
The arresting officer said Arispe was wearing a Precinct 4 constable's uniform, and we were told that this is one of those stories that needed to be reported because of the position that he holds as a bailiff, that he is held to a higher standard. The bailiff from the 319th, of course, is off. He has been given an administrative leave until this investigation is complete. Katia?
And could face a $4,000 fine for this.
That is correct,
as well.
And a year in jail if found guilty.
All right, Rudy, thanks for that.